In the 1860s and 1870s, Frederic Leighton was already a well-known painter in London. His paintings on ancient and mythological themes were admired by the public. Paintings such as the Garden of the Hesperides, the Bath of Psyche, and Acte, the Nymph of the Shore, demonstrated the idealized beauty, graceful forms, and harmony that were so highly valued in the Victorian era. These works reveal a desire for perfection and purity, which Leighton saw in the art of antiquity. But unexpectedly for many, he discovered himself in another field. In the mid-1870s, Leighton began working on sculpture. It was a bold move, as British sculpture at that time remained quite conservative. He created a series of works in which he sought to combine academic skill with the lively dynamics of movement. The most famous of these was the sculpture Athlete Wrestling with a Python. It impressed the public with its expressiveness. The athlete in a tense struggle with a snake seems alive. Every muscle is rendered with anatomical precision, and the scene itself conveys the drama of the moment. This was a real innovation for British art. The sculpture did not stand still, it acted. Critics called this work a turning point for English sculpture. Leighton proved that he was not only a master of canvas, but also a versatile artist who boldly broke down the boundaries of genres. And it was thanks to these explorations that he gained a reputation as an artist who combined the beauty of the classics with the innovation of the modern age in his work.